Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something many of you have requested, making money online by typing words. But before we dive in, let's be upfront. Getting rich quick with this method is unlikely. However, there are some legitimate ways to earn extra cash using your typing skills. So let's explore 7 different options. First up, websites like Squad Help and Brand Root host contests where businesses pay for winning name ideas. These are usually single words, and some contests offer payouts in the hundreds. Just remember, not every entry wins, and some contests may require a small fee. Think outside the box. Platforms like logo.com allow you to design logos based on a provided business name. This combines typing with some basic design skills. While some logos are free to submit, keep in mind there's no guarantee of winning the contest. This one's a bit unique. SnapPlay lets you create snippets, basically small call-to-action boxes you can add to existing blog posts. Find a relevant blog post, create a snippet with your referral link, and promote it on free classifieds websites. If someone signs up through your link, you both earn. 4. Paid content writing. This is the classic option. Websites like Textbroker connect writers with businesses needing content. Your pay depends on the word count and quality of your writing. It's not always about quantity, so focus on crafting valuable content. 5. Participating in online giveaways. While not a guaranteed way to earn, some online communities like community name, link in description, host regular giveaways. Sometimes, simply leaving a comment, even a single word or emoji, can enter you for a chance to win a significant prize. Remember, these communities often offer valuable resources and tools, making it worthwhile to participate even if you don't win. 6. Leverage free educational resources. Many online communities, including ours, offer free educational resources like mini-courses. These can help you develop valuable skills that can translate into higher-paying opportunities down the line. Key takeaway: focus on value, not just typing. Remember, the real money lies in solving problems. While typing words can be a starting point, consider how your skills can provide value to others. Whether it's through creative naming, captivating content, or community engagement, focus on offering solutions that benefit someone. Wrapping up, I hope this video gave you some realistic and legitimate ways to make money online by typing. Remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with dedication and effort, you can create a small but steady income stream. Have any questions about these methods? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like to show your support, and don't forget to subscribe for more free educational content. Here's a bonus tip for you. Researching common typos can really help improve your typing accuracy. Additionally, utilizing online typing speed tests is a great way to track your progress. For more resources, check out the links in the description box. Thanks for watching. See you next time.